Hello students, welcome to our class and start our learning with Let's Learn. And our today's topic is power from the chapter number 2, work and energy. So what is the power? Just move on our today's topic. Let's consider here three friends, that Amar, Akbar and Anthony. Amar, Akbar and Anthony. The three friends travel same distance, and Amar choose a car, then Akbar choose a bicycle, and Anthony choose a motorcycle to travel the same distance. Just consider they travel a same distance. So here, who reach to the destination first? Yes, obviously Amar, who choose the car to travel the same distance, to reach the destination. So Amar reached first, then Anthony, and then Akbar. It's clear. So here in this example, work done is same. What was work done? Work is to travel a same distance. So to travel a distance to reach in a particular destination, this is a work done. So in this example, work done is same, but time travel to reach at the particular destination are different. Because now Amar takes less time than Akbar and Anthony, because Amar choose a car, and same as Akbar choose a bicycle. So Akbar takes the more time to reach at a destination. It's clear, student? So here work done is same, but time travel is different. Understand? So here rate of work done is expressed in this term, the term as a power. So what is a power? So power is a rate at which work is done. The rate at which work is done is called a power. And here power, that is denoted by P, work is denoted by W and T. Understand? And here just take a small t, student. Here take a small t in place of capital T. It's clear. This is a small t. So W upon small t. Okay. Then what is the units of power? So in SI system, the unit of power is power. The formula. What is the formula? Formula is a work upon time. So unit of the work is in SI system. The unit of work is joule, and unit of time is second. So unit of power is joule per second, joule upon time. That means a joule per second, and this is called the watt. It's clear? So here definition of power is clear. Power is the rate at which work is done, and formula is power equals to work upon time. So you can prepare your own definition using this formula. Formula is power equals to work upon T. Just consider T is a 1. T is a 1 unit. So your definition will be, in a unit time, the work done is called the power. In a unit time, the work done performed by any object is called the power. It's clear? So here unit is joule per second, and that is called the watt. It's clear, student? Then in an industrial sector, the unit of power is measured in a horsepower. Horsepower is a bigger unit, and 1 horsepower is equals to the 746 watt. 746 watt. It's clear? So it's very important points, and you have to note down in your notebook. Then next unit is the unit of energy that is used for commercial use is a kilowatt hours. Kilowatt. Kilo. K is for kilo. So 1 kilowatt hours equals to 1 kilowatt into 1 hours. Understand? 1 kilowatt multiplied by 1 hour, and 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 watt. Kilo is 1000 watt. 1 kilowatt equals to 1000 watt, and multiply 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 into 60 second. 1 hour into 60 into 60 second, that means the 3600 second. Then multiply these both numbers, you got the 360000 joule. That means here 36 lakh joule. Just multiply 3600 into 1000, so you will get this number. Then you can write this number as 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 6, because just count the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, and if we place the decimal after 6 here, so total 6 digit number. We change the position of the decimal after 6 digit, so 10 raised to the power 6 here. So 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 6 joule. It's clear? Then the electricity used for a domestic purpose measured in the unit is a kilowatt hours, and 1 kilowatt hours is equals to 1 unit. Understand? It is used for domestic purpose. 1 unit. Understand? So this was last chapter of the chapter number 2, work and energy. I hope you understood. If you have any problems, student, please you can message me, and use this code to join the Google Classroom and get homework, notes and solutions. So thank you very much.